Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace remote key battery of Mitsubishi Montero full guide. Start by gathering a small flathead screwdriver and a CR2032 battery. I'll walk you step by step through opening the fob, removing the old cell, and seating the new battery correctly. You'll learn how to avoid damaging plastic clips, test the remote, and reset the key if needed. Stay relaxed, follow along slowly, and you'll have it done in minutes. Begin by finding the seam and any notch on the key fob where it separates. Work on a soft cloth to protect surfaces. Insert a small flathead screwdriver into the notch and twist gently, easing the two halves apart without forcing them. Lift the circuit board straight out, watching for plastic clips and alignment tabs. Keep track of any foam or pads and place the old battery where you can compare sizes. Check the battery orientation and note the positive side so you can fit the replacement correctly. Take a photo if helpful. Gently pry the old CR2032 out using a plastic pry tool or the screwdriver edge, taking care not to bend contacts. Seat the new battery with the correct side up and press it into place until it clicks or sits flush. Replace the circuit board and close the fob, confirming buttons move freely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.